Hi, I'm Kim from Solstice Healing and Wellness, and today in this short video, I'm going to show you how I make black salt. The black salt we're making today is for magical purposes only. This is not to be ingested or used for cooking in any way. Making black salt is very easy. You need to collect a few items. Any of the ashes that you've burned from any of your smudge sticks or incense wands, and some salt from around the house. Today in this video, I'm going to be using regular kosher salt and any ash left over from my daily burnings. A quick piece of information: if you're choosing to use ash that has burned from charcoal, please know that this Swift light on the left side contains potassium nitrate, and that's what makes it ignite and get hot so quickly, where the coconut ones do not have that. So if you want to have the added chemicals in your black salt mixture and it's okay with you, that's great. This is charcoal made with coconut husks and activated charcoal only, and that's what I choose to use if I'm doing a long burn. So to make our blend, I have over here some activated charcoal for coloring if necessary. I have all of the salt, and I have the ash left over from my burnings. And so you basically just want to take everything that you've used to burn and go ahead and put it in your bowl. Scoop out the bits you need, along with your salt. Put it in the bowl. And the reason that I like to use the activated charcoal is because it gives it that nice, deep, rich black color. And it also is less toxic than using any sort of dye or colorant. You can also add pepper if you'd like. If you like pepper, use pepper. If you want a deep, rich color, use the charcoal. Pepper is just another component that you could add. This is your blend, your mix. Absolutely, you do it the way that you want. You can mix it all together. I use my crystal quartz wand because I like to give that added vibrational energy that I'm looking to put into my blend with the clear quartz, and that always works for me. So I just start mixing it around, and you can see that it's already getting this beautiful, deep, rich black coloring that we want for all of our work. Just keep adding and mixing until you're satisfied with the result. If you want some more, you have all the ingredients. Just continue to add the ash and the salt and keep mixing. Again, you don't have to use a wand, but clear quartz is a good choice. You can add any stone that you'd like or any mortar and pestle that you'd like. This is your mix. It's your salt. And don't forget any of the smudge sticks that you may have from sage or the desert sage, which is a little mini desert sage here, or the Palo Santo. Don't forget to add those in at the end as well. And you can see that it's turning out really nice. We have a nice color and it's not dyed. It's natural, and this can all wash off my hands, obviously. And there you have it. Some basic black salt. Yours to do as you'd like in your practice. Okay, couple of extra tips for you. Everybody makes salt in their own way. If you choose to use eggshells, just put them in the bowl and crush them up. I haven't. I choose not to do this, but it's completely up to you. Just make sure all the shells are nice and dry and crush them up. One of my favorite things to do for my second tip is use a blend when burning on your charcoal disc. This is our protection blend in the shop. It's got 8 or 9 different items in it, and when you burn it and then you're ready to make your salt, all of these items, or whatever it is that you're choosing to intend your black salt with, if it's anything other than protection, is already set. It's already intended, and all you have to do is mix it. Very easy, one and done. For a quick recap, we need ash that you can get from smudge sticks, white sage, desert sage, Palo Santo, any sage. Ash from your everyday smudgings, ash from your cauldron, salt of your choice, activated charcoal or dye if you'd like. Combine together and you have black salt. Thanks for joining me today. I hope to see you next time.